Welcome to FBS Growth School, your go-to destination for financial and personal growth. Today, we're kicking off our Stock Market Mastery course with a foundational topic. What is the stock market, and why is it so important? Whether you're a complete beginner or curious about how it all works, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. The stock market is like a giant marketplace, but instead of buying fruits, vegetables, or gadgets, people buy and sell shares of companies. A share represents a small piece of ownership in a company. When you own a share, you literally own a fraction of that company. Imagine your favorite coffee shop wants to expand. They need more money but don't want to take out a loan. Instead, they sell small pieces of their business to the public. These pieces are called stocks. When people buy these stocks, the coffee shop gets money to expand, and the buyers own a part of the business. Now multiply this by thousands of companies across the world, and you have the stock market. A place where these transactions happen every second of every day. Let's break it down, step by step. Companies go public. When a company wants to raise money, it goes through a process called an IPO, initial public offering. Think of it as the company's grand debut on the stock market stage. After the IPO, its shares are traded on stock exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, or NASDAQ. Example: when Facebook went public in 2012, it raised billions of dollars through its IPO, buyers and sellers. Just like a regular marketplace, the stock market has buyers and sellers. Buyers want to purchase shares at the lowest price, and sellers want to sell at the highest price. This constant negotiation determines the market price. The role of exchanges. Stock exchanges are like the venues where the buying and selling happen. Some popular ones are NYSE, New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, known for tech companies like Apple and Tesla, BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange in India. Brokerages as intermediaries. You can't just walk into the stock market. You need a broker, like Zerodha, Robinhood, or Fidelity, to act as a middleman. They provide the platform for you to place orders. How orders are processed. When you place a buy order, your broker sends it to the exchange, where it's matched with a sell order. Once matched, the transaction is completed, and you now own the stock. For companies. It helps companies raise money to grow. Companies can use this money for research, product development, and expansion. Example: Tesla raised billions from investors to fund its electric car projects. For investors, the stock market is a proven way to build wealth over time. Historical data shows that investing in a broad market index like the S&P 500 has given an average annual return of 10% over the past century. Investing early allows your money to grow exponentially through compound growth. For example, if you invest $1,000 today and let it grow at 10% annually, in 30 years, it becomes $17,449. For the economy, a strong stock market reflects a healthy economy. It creates jobs, drives innovation, and funds public infrastructure. Fun facts about the stock market. Did you know the Amsterdam Stock Exchange, established in 1602, is the oldest in the world? And the biggest stock exchange is the New York Stock Exchange, with a market capitalization of over $25 trillion. The largest single-day drop in history happened on October 19, 1987, known as Black Monday. And here's an interesting one. Amazon started at $18 per share in 1997. Today, it trades in thousands. To summarize, the stock market is a platform where shares of companies are bought and sold. It's a powerful tool for raising capital, building wealth, and driving economic growth. Understanding how it works is your first step toward mastering it. Thanks for joining us today on FBS Growth School. This is just the beginning of an exciting journey into the world of stocks. Tomorrow, we'll dive deeper into how the stock market works and explore the role of key players. Don't miss it. Like, share, and subscribe to Future Business School for more growth videos. Thanks for watching.